Now, as I said before, the previous video, the squeeze, hope you got that trick down. But next step would be the vertical squeeze, which is the horizontal squeeze. Sorry, which is the hinge facing above you, like here. Grip the top half with your thumb and your pointing finger, like so. So it swings around like that. And the idea is the same mechanics as the squeeze, as the vertical squeeze. It's just pushing the Zippo lighter that way with your middle finger against your, not really your palm, but that, like the roots, I can't think of any other word, but the roots of your pointing finger. So you're pushing against that part right there, your palm, whatever. So it goes like that. Light it there. I mean, you could do so many things with the squeeze. You could go to an aerial with the squeeze. I'll show you another video, hopefully. Yeah, but I mean, you could do this forever. Like, I do this while I'm reading a book just to practice. Like, once you get used to it, the vertical squeeze is so much easier than the horizontal squeeze is so much easier than the vertical squeeze. And the beauty of the horizontal squeeze is that it will do less damage on your hinge compared to the horizontal squeeze, because the vertical squeeze. Because the vertical squeeze, what it does is you're putting pressure like sideways to your hinge, if you know what I mean. But the horizontal squeeze, what you're doing is you're going vertically. So how can that damage your hinge when the Zippo lighter is meant to open that way? So that's one of the tricks that won't damage your Zippo lighter in any way unless you drop it. That's why I use the vertical squeeze many times to open my Zippo lighter, like in a casual way, you know, like in front of my friends, just to impress them. So simple trick. It's pretty impressive. It's really fast too. It's like, oh, there we go. See, one more time. All right, it's getting slippery. I just refueled this thing. It's really wet. Kind of stupid. All right. I guess the flint's wet. Oh, there we go. All right, one more time. Alright, that was the horizontal squeeze. I hope you enjoyed the video.